Hi, I'm John Bean, and today I will be pitching something to you guys called the redirect chip. And now let me give you a scenario to really get us into what we're going to be talking about. So, have you ever been late to work, late to school, or late to anything important where you didn't want to be late? Well, this is going to help your car communicate and get you around those wrecks and those stoppages and get you there on time every time. And so, to get into my pitch, the target market for my product is going to be the automobile industry. And with the way it's going, with all the technology that's in cars today, this is going to be able to just be plugged right in. And so, the product I'm promoting in a whole is a car communication chip. While cars today are equipped with certain computer chips, this one will be very unique and will allow cars to communicate back and forth rather than your GPS have to direct you where you're going. And so it'll be able to tap into things like Google Maps and Waze and really gather as much information as needed to get you where you need to go. And so it will monitor radio systems and advise the driver of accidents ahead and automatically redirect the GPS system in the vehicle. While this service is currently available, what will be unique is that the computer chip in the car will communicate with the computer chip in other cars and be able to really give you real-time access to what's ahead and where you need to go. And so, when I approach a wreck, my car will begin communicating directly with all cars equipped with this computer chip to advise them to change route. This will be a key feature for our current busy multitasking world of drivers. Now I'm going to get into price. So, the chip will not be expensive to correct. However, the coding of the programming of the chip will be extensive and involve work with other key application processes. And I estimate that the chip will be around $600 to $800 to be processed and to be installed. And I will start with the BMW plant located in Greer, South Carolina. And this plant is currently building electric vehicles, just like many plants around the country. With the advanced features of the redirect chip, this will certainly provide an added bonus to the vehicle's technology and the customer's satisfaction. The redirect chip slogan will be, "Sometimes the best way is the car's way." So instead of trusting yourself, trust the car and trust the chip. The main way I'll promote the chip is by an event sponsorship. I'll create several of the chips and model them in Chicago at the Chicago Auto Show, which is the largest auto show in North America. The point of difference is that the redirect chip will not only offer convenient GPS assistance, it will have the ability to communicate with other vehicles about situations such as accidents and road construction that could impede another driver's ability to arrive on time to their location. The two cars can communicate automatically while the driver stays focused safely on operating the vehicle. And I really think this is the way of the future, especially with Tesla and even many dealerships gaining ground in the electric field. So, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.